Today, the informal milk sector accounts for more than 70% of the 40,000 jobs in dairy marketing alone, and a further directly supports over 350,000 others in formal employment. Considering that there are nearly 1 million smallholder farmers for whom dairy is a family business, it is likely that more than 2 million people derive their livelihoods from the dairy sector. Good agricultural practice for dairy farmers is about implementing sound practices on dairy farms, collectively called good dairy farming practice. These practices must ensure that the milk and milk products produced are safe and suitable for the intended use, and also that the dairy farm enterprise is viable into the future from the economic, social, and environmental perspectives. Most of our dairy cattle farmers practice intensive production systems in smallholder units, with the biggest challenge being the high cost of production, especially when it comes to feeds. The low prices of milk have not helped matters, and therefore the big question is dairy cattle farming a viable agribusiness venture in Kenya?